Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick food haul for this week. Ocado again. I did actually pop into Tesco's and I'll show you what I got from there. So we're making our some homemade ice cream this week, and we're also making like not toffee apples but like apple slices decorated. So I got some fudge chunks, chocolate chunks, some caramel drizzle. This stuff is so expensive, it's insane. It's like £3.20 for that. And then also for a treat, I noticed, I want to say this bottle was 92p and this was £1. The vintage style were like mega reduced in Tesco, so I just got two bottles of that. And then I got a cheeky chocolate bar for me and my 8-year-old because he was doing carbs while I went and did that shop. But if I just take you through the meal plan, so this week I used pretty much completely 6 meals actually from the Ocado magazine that I got this week, and I did like a short on it, on like all the recipes that I'm going to be doing. But basically we'll go through the week. Today is Tuesday, we are actually going to Wookie Hole. So tonight I've just got pizza. Then tomorrow, twice baked potatoes with oyster mushrooms, and they've got pancetta and stuff in as well. Carrot and white bean soup, chicken curry with parathis, I can never say that correctly. Butter bean and sun-dried tomato, stew with garlic toast, chicken coconut stew, and a fish and pea tagine with couscous. And then for bakes, I was going to make the Jane Patisserie vegan chocolate brownie with the view that it could go with our homemade ice cream, like as a proper treat dessert. I'll probably make an apple crumble at some point. Those apple slices I just explained, which I'll make with the kids. And then we are making homemade ice cream this week. So I'll just take you through. There's a lot of green this week, which I'm really excited about. I'll try and remember what is for what recipe, but lots of these recipes are new to me, so yeah, so I'll just start from the beginning. So we've got these apples, which we'll probably use for those apple slices. The tomatoes are for, I think they're for the chicken curry. So there's some cherry tomatoes there. The mild red chilies, I'm probably going to put in half what's suggested for the kids. The lime, I think, is for the chicken coconut stew, maybe. Yeah, I'm not going to remember what everything's for, so I'll just take you through. The paraffin, they are for the chicken curry. So there's actually a pack of 5, which is really good for us because I just had to get 1 pack. Dill, lots of fresh herbs. Flat leaf parsley, did I get 2 of them? Oh no, coriander. And then this is really good. So it's frozen chopped ginger, and it's only because it said it in the recipe that I thought to get it. And I just think it's like a really easy way to store your ginger. It's like sliding all over the place. These, I think it's just like spinach and cream, but again, it's a really good idea that you literally just have to put these in and like you don't have to add anything else. To be honest, I haven't looked at the ingredients, so I don't know how clean of a, like what additives and stuff they add to it, or whether it's literally just cream. Then some chopped leeks. I went easy this week. The oyster mushrooms, again, I could have doubled up, but I just don't know if my kids will like the oyster mushrooms, so I thought a little is better than nothing. I got these bags this week because I just thought they do like spinach, and I thought that's a good way to add that. Loads of pizzas. These were all on offer. I got cheese and ham, and then I think I got pepperoni and what's this one? Barbecue chicken, and then double pepperoni. Loads of pizza. There'll probably be enough for lunch as well for another day. More. We've got carrots. We've got the potatoes for those jacket potato, double baked potatoes. We've got, trying to get all the veg done. I think that's all the veg. Limes. Then we've got chicken breast fillets. They are for the chicken curry, and then the chicken legs are for the stew. And then we've got the pancetta, bacon for bacon baps, ham. The ham at Ocado is really expensive and they don't seem to do really big packs, so I only got one, but we'll probably need another through the week depending what I do for lunches. And then for the recipes, we've got sour cream. I think that's for the jacket potatoes. Natural yogurt, I imagine, is for the curry. Double cream is for the ice cream. I'm doing a ice cream with no egg because I have an egg allergy, and it's like without a ice cream machine, so we'll see how it goes. 2 apple juice, a big pack of smoothies, 4 pint semi-skim milk, and then the carrots I mentioned. These are for bacon baps because they've been wanting that. They are for the garlic toasts, the sourdough, and then that's just for sandwiches, toast, etc. These are for my husband. He loves these. These are so good. I think a pack is like £1.50. It's really not expensive for the 3-pack. And then so many store cupboard essentials. I'll just quickly say I try and sneak in healthier. I know nothing's healthier than like me making it, but healthier snacks that include a type of fruit or something. For the boys, I know my daughter just wouldn't even try them, but for the boys, and just see if they like them. So these are like almost like a flapjack, which the funny thing is I'll make this myself and they would eat this. Like I know they would eat a banana and chocolate flapjack, but when I get them packaged to save myself a bit of time, they never like them. And then this is apple, like the same but apple without any chocolate. But again, if I made something like this, I know they'd eat it, so we'll just keep trying. And this is Deliciously Kids. I think that's like the Deliciously Ella brand, maybe. I don't know. And this, this is from like an allergy-friendly, sorry, my cough, allergy-friendly place. The allergy-friendly snack. So that's quite good if, it's called Eat Safe Angelic. It's quite good if you've got kids going to like school. I'm just going to stop because I'm making pancakes and I need to flip pancakes them. Flipped. I'm back. So this is for the, which one is it? It's not the chicken, it's the chicken curry, I think. I've never tried kimchi. I'm super excited. I think my daughter will be super into this as well because she loves like Japanese, Asian cuisine, so that's exciting. This is just for those apples that we're doing. 2 things of beans. I was going to add them with the jacket potatoes maybe because I'm not entirely sure the kids will love them, but put some beans on the side and they'll eat them. Vegetable stock cubes for our veggie dishes, like our soup and stuff. Dried thyme, ground turmeric, ground cumin. This is for the tagine, and it's like a tagine paste. I'm really interested to see how that one works. It saves a lot of time. I fancied some peanut butter. I always like the crunchy peanut butter. Condensed milk, that's for the ice cream. Sun-dried tomatoes is for the, literally says sun-dried, the butter bean stew. With the garlic toast. And then we've got the coconut milk for the coconut stew, chicken coconut stew. Ketchup, always need more ketchup. Passata and a big passata. I don't know why they use different types, the 2 recipes, but they did. Couscous and basmati rice. The beans, there's 2 recipes with beans. This is for the curry as well. I've never used these pots either, so we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know. I might try and film the recipes, but the stress of making dinner, like the time, like hungry kids and stuff, I'm not sure I'll actually get around to it. This is to go with the soup because they didn't have any of the sourdough toast. I was thinking I could just use this from another recipe, but it's lovely to have like a buttered baguette, isn't it, when you have soup. And then tuna is just for sandwiches and things. And then I got myself these because I think it was like my auntie, someone gave them a big pack at Christmas and I'm obsessed with them. They're like sour cream, well, they're sour cream and chive pretzels, and yeah, I just wanted to, I didn't realise you could get individual packs, so I got myself them. But I think that is everything this week, and then those few extra bits from Tesco. Like I said, I probably have to get some more ham through the week or something for sandwich fillers, because my boys aren't super keen on tuna. We've got jam, so there's jam, we've got cheese, so it's not like they're going to starve. But yeah, that's everything for this week. And I will hopefully maybe do some videos of me cooking some of these new recipes. Thank you, bye.